In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix settings not opening in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And the cool thing is that you could do this with anything you're using, and there's two different methods for it. So the first method is going over and right-clicking over here. And then we're going to go ahead and locate our task manager, which is over here. So once you go ahead and click on it, all you want to do is go to the very top and type in Explorer. So we're going to type that in right now, and you're going to see Windows Explorer right here. All you want to do is right click it, and then you're going to see restart as one of the options. Then try again to open your settings and see if that works. If that doesn't work, right click here again, and then all you want to do is find PowerShell. If you don't see it, however, just go over and type in PowerShell and then run it as administrator. Now, once it's open, all you got to do, you can copy and paste this if you want to, or just pause the video and type this in. But it's going to look like this. Type in this command and then press enter. Then just wait for it to finish and then try and open your settings and you should be good to go.